In this video, I'll show you how to divide in Excel using a formula. This is a basic but very useful skill, especially if you're new to Excel. You don't need to be a math expert or have any special knowledge. I'll walk you through step by step. Let's begin by opening a new Excel spreadsheet. You can also use an existing one if you prefer. In Excel, dividing numbers works very much like using a calculator but with a formula. Let's say you want to divide the number 10 by 2. First, click into any empty cell where you want the result to appear. Then, type the equal sign. That's very important. Excel formulas always begin with the equal sign, so type this: equals 10/2. It looks like this, equal sign 10/2. After typing the formula, press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will calculate the answer, which is 5, and show it in the cell. That's the most basic way to divide in Excel. You can divide any two numbers this way. Now, let's try dividing numbers that are in different cells. This is how you use cell references instead of typing the numbers directly. It makes your formulas more flexible and easier to update later. In cell A1, type the number 20. In cell B1, type the number 4. Now, go to cell C1. This is where we'll put the formula. Type this, equals A1/B1. Like this, equal sign A1/B1. When you press Enter, Excel divides the number in A1 by the number in B1. So 20 divided by 4 gives you 5. If you change the number in A1 or B1, the result in C1 updates automatically. This is one of the best things about using formulas in Excel. You don't have to change the whole formula when you want to work with different numbers. Just update the cells. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching.